I'm going to show you how easy it is to take some tiles, the Stripology ruler, and turn it into this super fast. Now just choose the size of the cut you want. Line it up. I've got mine lined up here. I'm going to be doing 2.5 inch. So I'm going to go right into here where the square is. Cut that. Now I'm going to go over to the next square. They're labeled for me, so it makes it super easy. And now I'm going to do my last one. Here's my next square for my next 2.5 inch strip. I'm going to line up my blade and cut. Now I got all my sizes cut what I like. Move off the ruler. I got 3 2.5 inch strips, what I need, and then that last 2-inch strip. So now I have all the sizes that I need for my pattern. That fast and easy to cut strips with the Stripology ruler.